Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. Good morning. Today is the 20th of November, Monday, the 20th of November, 2017. Hey girl, let's see me at Clinton's. I work at Clinton's in Stratford. Yeah, Westfield. You black girl will call to me lady gangster and take my video when me at Teef Clinton Street candles, Yankee candles. Send the police to me, girl. So when I cangle them, this is when I cangle them, I put in my bag. You send her my video. You never know, say your queen will entertain your queen lady gangster was a shoplifter. Yes, I am. Because your government now give me a job and I have my 5 feet to them to live and I hear them now say so I got teeth too can go. So send the police come here. It's 29 time I got prison girl. I don't have no shame. Look for my girl. Government take the whole of my furniture them and put me. So them give me blood clot government furniture, my nice furniture them in a storage. So why is my teeth too can go? In all manner media they kill up myself and I argue with this girl. But in truth and the matter is 1,000 million trillion people shoplift at daytime. The security, the police, now the store owner not allowed to take a video clip or a picture of someone and send it out to the public. That's breach of my privacy. So what I'm not a thief, me a shoplifter. Because coming in a shop, come thief, me not got nobody I got thief, them things that's different. But back to my argument. Let me tell you this to the girl, the 20th of November, me not rest until them sack you. Them a fire you. See, me get sentenced, you have to get fire. To send on the video, you hear you? Queen Lady Gangster. I didn't even like. So you like how my name sound. So you feel like you can pull me out, draw me out. I make the whole world see me, but girl, that not shame me. That just turned me on more. But you see, you will violate your workplace to send out the video. Watch me, you girl.